अब देखिए मेरा ख्याल है रिस्क ले रहे हैं आप. तुम्हारी बड़ी मेहरबानी है.
Around 15 kilometer in which there is a flood and people are stuck in their houses and there is a huge destruction in this area, and we are providing rescue service from right from the first day when water entered in this area, and we have rescued almost more than 300 people by boat. We are providing cooked meal for the people.
I'm Dr. Zishan Freed from Nishtar Hospital, Pediatrics Unit. I'm member of Al Insaniyat Foundation, a wing of Jamaatul Dawa. We are helping people here. It is flooded area of Shujabad, and we are providing shelter, medicine and food to the flood affected area people. Many people, they don't want to leave their houses and they are still in flooded area. We are providing medicine, food and everything to them which they need by boats.